Hello everyone, today we are going to practice some division just to spark our memory. I know it's been a while since we worked on division, so I put some of that in our work this week. Alright guys, so first I'm going to start with standard algorithm, which is also called long division. I am also going to show you partial quotients because that's what we learned in class as well. So with standard algorithm, we're going to take a problem. Let me give you a simple problem like 327 divided by 9. Okay, and what this is asking is we have 327 of something and we want to divide it into 9 equal groups, okay? And I like how the last video yesterday talked about division being repeated subtraction. We're going to take away 9 from 327 as many times as we can. All right, so let's go ahead and set it up. We want to put 9, our divisor, out in the front. We're going to draw our bracket and put 327. With standard algorithm, you start with the hundreds place and you say, oh, I have 9. Can I make a group of 9 out of 3? No, so I'm actually going to have to use the number 32. I'll use both of these numbers. So 32 divided by 9 doesn't go in evenly, but I know I can make 3 groups. I can take away 9 3 times from 32. 3 times 9 is 27. So I subtract. All right, well I know 32 minus 27 is 5. Okay, and then I'm going to bring down the 7, bring down the next number. Now this is our new dividend, so 57 divided by 9. 57 divided by 9, well, I know I can make 6 groups because 6 times 9 is 54, and that got me really close without going over. Okay, so 6 times 9 is 54. And I subtract again. My remainder is 3. There's nothing else to bring down, and I know that I cannot make a group of 9 with 3, so this must be my remainder. So my answer, or my quotient, remember the answer to a division problem is called a quotient, all right, is 36 remainder 3. Let's look at that a different way. Okay, let's go ahead and look at it using partial quotients, which is what you worked on yesterday. Okay, we start out with our problem, and also our answer. This is what we'd put right here, because 327 divided by 9 is 36. We can subtract 936 times. We'll also have 3 left over. All right, so with partial quotients, we set it up very similar. We put our divisor out in the front. We put 327 inside, and we actually draw this line down. Oops. Okay. Now with partial quotients, you're thinking, how many groups of 9 can I make in 327? We're going to try to come up with a good guess, but we like round numbers that are easy to multiply. So if I'm looking at this, I might say, 30's too high. I don't know about 30. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll start with 20. I know I could probably make 20 groups of 9. I like to do equal groups with it because this is telling me I have 9 groups. That's a lot of groups, but it's good to see a visual. You don't have to do equal groups with partial quotients, but it is nice to see a visual. Okay, and so what we're doing here is if we say, I know I can subtract 9 20 times, so I multiplied. 20 times 9 is 180. We're just getting rid of 180, and we can show that over here to say 9 groups, each with 20 in each group. Okay, that would equal 180 that we just divided out, okay? We know there's still some left over, so let's see how much we have left over. If we subtract 327 minus 180, we'll get, what is that? 14 looks like. All right, so 147 left, okay? If we have 147 left in 9, I know I can put 10. I can make, put 10 more in each group because I know 10 times 9 is 90, and that's less than that, so we could put 10 in each group. Okay, again, it's repeated subtraction, so we're taking away 9 10 times, which is 90. All right, 7 minus 0 is 7, and 14 minus 9 is 5. We'll have 57 left. That reminds me of this over here, and I know that I can make 6 more groups out of that. So if I put 6 in each group, then I'm getting rid of 54 because 6 times 9 is 54. And I subtract, and that gives me 3 left over. And this is how you get your answer here. Now you have these, this many times. We took 9 away 20 times, we took 9 away 10 times, and then we took 9 away 6 times. So we add these up. We took away 9. 20 plus 10 is 30 plus 6 is 36 times. And we found out that we had a remainder. Can we split 3 evenly into 9 groups? No, we can't. It wouldn't be enough. So we have these, each of these has that with 3 kind of left over here on the side that we can't split up evenly. So if we look at this, we take 1 box, that's 36, remainder 3. All right, so that kind of reminds you of some of the ways we learned in class. There's only a few questions on today's assignment, but it's really good practice. So go ahead and give it a try.